Ready to connect your OneDrive? Let's make your document chaos disappear with some RecordsKeeper.AI magic. Tumble your dashboard and hit sources in sync. See those Google Drive and Dropbox connections we set up? Sweet! Now let's add Microsoft OneDrive to the mix. Give it a name. I'm going with management so I remember what's in here. Hit connect and boom. Use your Microsoft account, grant permissions, and watch the system work its magic behind the scenes. Here's the cool part. Pick any folder and everything inside syncs automatically. Want to be picky? Just double-click folders to cherry-pick specific files. Your choice, your control. See that status bar? Blue means working, green means done. That toggle to your gold, turn auto sync on, and new files sync automatically. Turn it off when you want to pause. Easy, right? Check your files in overview or use search and filters to find exactly what you need. Download, share, explore. It's all there. By now, let's revolutionize how you handle documents.